Did you know that your skin is constantly under attack from external factors? Environmental pollution, UV rays, fine dust, and even an urbanized lifestyle can all damage your skin barrier. Over time, this damage can lead to premature aging and many other problems. Fortunately, there are ways to protect your skin from these external aggressors. Using Antioxidant Treatment Essence can help keep it looking young and healthy. Its diverse and rich ingredients are formulated in unique, stable proportions to achieve the optimal effect of skin rejuvenation. Saccharomyces ferment filtrate, the most prominent ingredient in our essence, is extracted from the fermented yeast used in brewing beer in the brewery. We discovered this fantastic ingredient during the fermentation process, which left the hands of the brewers feeling young and soft. This miracle ingredient holds moisture to the skin like a magnet, making the skin clear and transparent. It also promotes collagen synthesis, enhances tissue repair, and helps reduce signs of environmental damage. Green tea is one of the most famous antioxidants in human history, rich in EGCG, catechins, theanine, caffeine, and vitamin C. In addition, it is effective in anti-aging by reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Also, it protects the skin from external factors for 24 hours and improves dull and tired skin tone by reducing pores and managing dead skin cells, giving vitality to rough skin. Furthermore, various enzymes activate enzyme reactions that contain an immune enhancer called beta-glucan. It helps find the skin's balance, such as boosting the skin's immunity and preventing skin troubles, to help maintain young and healthy skin. The Antioxidant Treatment Essence also acts as a humectant that increases the absorbent rate of active ingredients into the skin. As a result, you can feel the best results when used together with our special serum.